My robot came. There was a bag full of all kinds of screws and washers and nuts. I've managed to sort some of it. Here. The whole thing weighed 3 kilos. And here, there are some tiny ones over there. I hope I won't lose it. Some tiny nuts and some tiny bolts. Yeah. Some standoffs. And I gave up. I got tired of it. And there's another one here. I don't know if those are spares or what. I've gotten this far. So this is an assembly of some sort. I'm not sure if these are tightened all the way. There probably shouldn't be any clearance here. I'll check that afterwards. So the reason there was a clearance was because I had mounted it wrong. That one was there and that one was there. So I had to change them, change places, and now everything seems good. So if I can put these on now, and that doesn't seem right, does it? Like this and like this. Oh, yeah, okay, I'll get back to you. And so this is what it will finally look like. I'm not satisfied with the way it turns, but I'm going to loosen things up. This is probably scraping against the metal here, possibly. I'm going to fix that, but at least now I got the right parts in the right places. Okay, so finally I managed to get this part done. And I have started on this assembly here, and that's all for today. So all that play seems to be there to allow for adjustment. So this now looks like this, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, next item on the list. Starting a new part. So this one, I still don't know where it fits on the robot, but I've fixed the micro switch. So there's an engine motor coming in here, and a gearbox somewhere. I'm not sure. Perhaps it goes on. Perhaps it goes onto this thing here. Possibly. If you see there, then what you see, that black part could be this part. So that little part up on the left side there was not in this bag. So it must be in this bag. That's what I've got left to assemble. So there are 54 images, and I'm on image number 18. So I'm a little more than a third of the way. Correction. I'm not even. I'm maybe 1/5 of the way to the goal. There is no one-to-one correspondence between the one image and the time that it takes to process that image. Just look at some different ones here. This one, for example, is really easy, but there are others that require me to spend quite a lot of time. This one, perhaps. Here's one. So, yeah, in 4 more days, maybe I'll be closer to finishing this.